Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Glamigal, and thank you for tuning in for this video. This video is inspired from Dress Your Face Instagram page. He recently did a bridal makeup and this was one of the looks, and I was inspired by that look to create this video. This makeup look, and yeah, this is the look that I came up with. It is like a cut crease makeup look, kind of like a double cut crease. This is not something I'm very familiar with or my style of makeup, but I just fell in love with this particular eye makeup, so I just thought why not give it a whirl, and I quite like how it turns out. This kind of eye makeup also makes your eyes look bigger, so if you have smaller eyes, you can try this kind of a look. And here this look is without any Indian jewelry or anything like that. So just to give you an idea, you can totally go with this look for over western attire also. So without wasting any more time, let's just quickly jump into the video. We'll do the eyes first and then move on to the face makeup. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and let's begin. So first I'm just priming my lids with a concealer. Just take any concealer and make sure the lid is set. And now I'm just going to take like this medium brown eyeshadow on an angled brush to kind of carve out how I want the line to go, and then with a small brush I'm just going to buff that out. Once that is done, I'm just going to cut the crease with a concealer. This is a liquid concealer, Wet n Wild one. And I'm so sorry this part is out of focus, but I've just taken a pencil and I'm just following the same line that I had created with the brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going over with this turquoise pencil. This one is from Essence. Now I'm taking a shimmery, like metallic shade of the same color and again tracing it back. I did wet the brush to get so that it doesn't spill over, and plus it has more impact. And then I'm taking this shimmery pink eyeshadow. All the colors I've taken are from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, so if you have that, you can create this look very easily. And then for the center part of the lid, I'm taking a lighter pink shade from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to line my eyes. I'm using the Inglot gel liner. So I already have like a wing going on from the two, like brown and the turquoise. So I'm just going to follow that and create like a small wing and then extend it. Now moving on to the eyes, we'll get back to the lower lash line. And my eyebrows, I actually set it with the, I'm also like baking my eyeshadow. That is why they look the way they did. And once the primer is done, I went for a dewy primer. I'm just going to apply some foundation with a brush, and then we are going to move on to color correcting. You can choose any foundation, basically that's entirely up to you. Now I'm doing some color correcting because my dark circles are really very bad. I have to do that. And I'm very lightly setting my color corrector also because it was terribly hot the day, like 2-3 days back when I was doing this video. So I had to like go all out with the extra steps. So yeah. And over that, I'm just going to apply my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in light medium beige. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the highlighting with this concealer. I'm going to apply this on the nose as well, on the forehead, on the chin. I just love how like highlighting and contouring makes such a big difference on the face. And now I'm using this NYX Total Control Drop Foundation for my contouring, and this is like my new favorite way to do it. You will see in a second when I'm going to blend this particular foundation. The finish it gives, oh my god, I anyway love this NYX foundation, the Total Control Drop Foundation. It is very nice. I'm in the shade Camel. The full face, the foundation shade is Camel. Now I'm taking this Real Techniques contour brush and just see, oh my god, this is so beautiful. The contour, the finish of the contour. This foundation is really very nice. I do recommend this foundation. And then I'm just going to buff it out and make sure everything is nice and blended, and then we can move on with powdering our face, also like contouring the nose, and I just wanted a little bit more contrast in my highlight and contour. So I'm just going back with my Supra foundation and just highlighting it a little bit more. The concealer wasn't light enough, the earlier one that I used. So I'm just wanting, like, since it is like a bridal engagement kind of a look, I wanted the contrast to be really nice. Especially after like seeing the pics of the bride Dress Your Face did, I just really wanted to mimic it as much as I could. Now I'm using my Fit Me powder to do some baking. I'm using this Weishi blender. It is the best thing for me. Like, I can just use this one blender and do my whole entire face of makeup. I'm just going through my, applying a gel, eyebrow gel, and this blush is from the Balm. I'm just taking that. And for my bronzer today, I'm using Palladio matte bronzer, and I'm just going to intensify the contour a little bit more using my bronzer. So this bronzer is not like really very warm per se, that is why I love this one. And now I'm using the Weishi powder brush to kick off my bake. This brush is ideal for that, guys. Once you use it, you will know what I'm saying. It's not very dense, so it just helps pick up the powder really nicely without disturbing the base. I mixed these two highlighters from Maybelline and I just applied my highlighter. Before applying any mascara, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some finishing spray. And I'm taking the same brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line, not do anything too crazy for my lower lash line. And I'm just going to apply the same black gel liner and I'm going to kind of smudge that out as well. And this brush is a must have. Like, if you are into smoky anything, you have to use this. Now I'm taking the Stila glitter and I'm going to apply this on my inner corner, and mascara and some lashes. We are almost done. Now we're going to do the lips. I've used this KIKO Milano lip liner and I'm then applying Flurries, Flurries lipstick from, this one is November from Colourpop. And then I also took another lipstick that was like very nudish. I'm going to list down everything below. And I'm also quickly showing you how I have curled my hair. So just taking small sections on this straightener, and just kindly ignore the weird faces that I'm making while doing this. And yeah, in small sections I'm going to curl my hair and do the side part. And yeah, one by one we're going to go ahead and get through this process. I don't know why I was making the face I had made here, but yeah, this is how it is. I'm basically just taking a small section of hair and I'm just going to twist the curling iron, and then I'm just going to curl my hair. Basically, I'm just taking small sections. My hair is a little difficult to curl. They don't hold curls that well. I have like very fine and thin hair. But yeah, I'm going to repeat this process step by step, and when I come into the first, like the frontmost layer, I'm going to give it like a very loose curl just on the ends. And yeah, this is how the look is, you guys. I'm just going to finish up with the last two strands and then we are done. I did not do much with the hair except for just adding hairspray to it and just let it loose. This is the final look. I hope you all like this. Thank you so much for watching Glammy Gal. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.